and I'm telling him, go for a vault, all the time. I'm Dave. I'm from a lovely Welsh town called Abergavenny. I was looking for a folder. I was looking for a good folder. I went on the net, looked around. We went around all the cycle dealers in Cheltenham back in 2018, because that's when I bought this. Walked into Williams Cycles. The crew in Williams Cycles, they knew what they were talking about. They weren't just salespeople, they were bikers. I'd seen Volt and I thought, can I have a try? So they said yes. So we went out, a couple of minutes on it, came back. I left the wife in the shop as a deposit. And he said, I can get you one in by next Tuesday. And I said, fine, here's my card. And that was it. I've been a Volt owner since. It gives me freedom. I purchased it because I was due to have knee surgery and I wanted something to get me back out and back on the road. Hence a low step because of the knee surgery, because getting across a crossbar was a bit awkward. I'm now retired, but when I wasn't retired, my last employment was I worked in the local hospital, which is just down by there, and I'd cycle to work and from work every day, fold it up and keep it under my desk. Yeah, I've got 2 grandchildren, so we stick this in the back of my vehicle, plus theirs in. We go to the local cycleway and we have a bit of fun. We've got a caravan, so the folder is great. It's been to France, it's been everywhere. Yeah, I recommended my friends to have e-bikes. I think my words convinced them, so they own 2 Volts. They own a Metro and a Metro LS. My brother-in-law has just set up residence in the UK from America, and I'm telling him, go for a Volt, all the time.